boys and girls, this week in ELA we are going to be taking a look at text structures. So our power standard of the week is to describe the overall structure of events, ideas, concepts, or information in a text or part of a text. The objective is going to be to describe the overall structure of events, ideas, concepts, or information in an informational text or part of a text written at a 4th grade reading level. And we're going to meet this objective by doing cause and effect, looking at comparisons, looking at the problem and solution. We also are going to be paying attention to some text features because these text features are going to help you understand your text better. So for example, over here, we see counterfeit money, then and now. Counterfeit is a big word, and sometimes one of our text features, it'll give us a definition at the bottom. So when we see a word in bold, it typically means that you can find the definition either at the bottom or sometimes it'll be in the glossary at the back. So when we have at the top of a paragraph or something, this is a heading. So faking real money. So typically the text is bigger, might be a different color, it might be in bold. And the headings give you an idea of what the section is going to be about. And like I had said, the bold words let you know that it's a vocabulary word, and you can find it in the glossary. I guess I kind of went ahead. Now also below pictures or maps or other things like that, there's going to be some words underneath, and that's called a caption. The caption helps to explain whatever that picture is about or what's going on. So you should be kind of familiar with a timeline. Timelines is an informational structure, and it goes in order based off of obviously time. So it would go, if you were born in 2011, it would be 2011, 2012. It would go in the order all the way up to 2020. And when it go 2016, 2020, 2011, it doesn't bounce around. It goes into order. It goes in a nice order. Okay, so when we look at this heading shows fake versus real. So that's telling me that in this section, there's going to be a compare and contrast. And since this is dealing with money, I know it's going to be talking about real money and fake money. So that gives me an idea if I need to get information about that subject, how they're the same or different. I can look for headings that kind of have that, the verses, because I know that's a comparison. All right, let's take a look at this toolkit. So in your reading, this toolkit will show you things in order. This informational structure is showing you things step by step. So first look at this, then this, 3, 4. So you just follow the order and look at those things in the order to help you get a better understanding. So when I talked about those words that were in bold and that it was a vocabulary word or important word that you're going to need to know the definition, you can go to the glossary. If you had an actual textbook, you would go, the glossary can be found at the back of the book. So glossary is a list of all the words, and it is in alphabetical order. It gives you the word and it gives you the definition. All right, so this week as you read your text counterfeit money, then and now, use those text structures to help you to understand the text and to help you navigate through it. Make sure that you come to our ELA class this week and get some more practice on text structures. You'll get to come and talk to me and see your classmates. Make sure you're following your pathways. Answer those questions, follow the pathways to help you to get better understanding and know what you still need to work on or you can move on to. Make sure you're completing all of your summit courses. Stride is just for extra practice, okay? Make sure you reach out to me if you need more tries on your assessments, and I will reset them for you. All right, bye guys.